Hi friends, welcome to another video. This is a Tasty Tuesday video and I am uploading this super late and I'm really sorry about that. So as some of you guys know, my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy and I are doing Tasty Tuesday videos every Tuesday for a while of some fun recipes to share with you guys. Today I'm trying something out for the first time. I'm using something super inexpensive and I am mixing it up with another inexpensive thing and hopefully making a breakfast item. It is going to be banana nut muffins with apples. So come along with me while I do this. It is a Tasty Tuesday, super cheap beats, quick and easy collab today for my end. So I'm excited to watch Rachel's video after this, so I hope you guys are too. Definitely watch it and like and share and subscribe to her channel because I know you will love it. She is a fantastic YouTuber. She makes great video content. She's a great mommy and she does a lot of cooking, cleaning, and collabs with me and much more. Some DIYs, mommy videos. So definitely check out her channel and subscribe to her. You will not regret it. All right guys, let's get to baking. Alright, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 2 packages of the banana nut muffin mix from Betty Crocker. It's like $1 each and they make 6 muffins in each one. And then you'll need a can of apple pie filling. That's like $1 something. What is really cool about this recipe is that it only needs 1 cup of water. Each package needs only a half a cup of water, so I'm going to use a full cup of water. And set your temperature to 400 degrees in the oven. Now to add the apple pie filler. Now I really wish I would have put them in like a chopping machine or chopped it all up in a separate bowl before I put it in here, because how I'm doing it is just a little bit more tedious and there's just easier ways to do it. So don't be like me, and if you're gonna do this recipe, chop up the apples in a separate bowl or use it in a chopper or something just to make your life a bit easier. And it should look something a little like this. I purchased these 2 6 muffin pans or cupcake pans from Walmart for 88 cents each. I think they're great, especially for these Betty Crocker muffin mixes, because each package you can make 6 muffins with it, so I think they just come in handy and they take up less space. So I really do like these. And I'm lining them with cupcake cups just to keep the muffin pans a little cleaner, easier to clean up afterwards. And with adding the apple pie filling to this mix, I actually was able to make 4 extra muffins. So I was able to make a total of 16 muffins with that. So that's really cool. And you can fill up the cups however full you want it. These actually turned out pretty good how I fill them up, even though they look like I'm filling up pretty full. They actually turned out really good. All right, time to put it in the oven. Just follow the directions in the back. It says 15 to 21 minutes. I actually did it for 21 minutes. But I ended up doing an extra 4 minutes on them just because of the apple pie filler. I wanted to make sure that the muffins were thoroughly baked on the inside too. And they were for about 25 minutes of baking for 400 degrees. They turned out fabulous. Oh my gosh, you guys, those turned out so delicious, so good, so inexpensive to make. Fun treat, and you can make it for gifts for people, or just have it for breakfast, quick easy breakfast on the go things, or you know, just because because you want something sweet and yummy. So if you guys are interested, definitely check or do this recipe yourself, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And let me know down in the comment section below if you did try it and what you thought. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends. And don't forget to check out Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy, and subscribe to her as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.